Hey guys, it's Laura and I'm out in the vegetable garden today. I'm so happy to be able to say that finally. I've been planning this garden space a really long time. So in today's video, I am super happy and excited to introduce a brand new product that I'm going to be using in our vegetable garden. And it is the Espoma Organic Raised Bed mix that I have next to me here. And I am just super excited. It's a new garden, it's a new product. I just want to give a great big thank you to Espoma Organic for sponsoring this project and allowing me to introduce to you a wonderful option for your vegetable gardening needs this year. I'm very excited. So just to talk a little bit about this garden, right now this is, it's actually getting into the evening now. I wanted to wait for the light to go down a bit, but this is the south side of our garden, so it gets the most amount of sun and the plants will really benefit from that. This one is about 6 feet long, 11 inches high, and 3 feet deep. So this required about 12 bags of the soil here. I'm going to put up on the screen, there's a search feature where if you click on the product on Espoma's website, it'll give you kind of a guide to show you how much you'll need to fill your specific size garden bed. So that's super helpful. Now with gardening like this, I believe we need to give them all the nutrients that they need to produce high yields and good quality crops. In addition to the raised bed soil here, I'm going to treat it just like I do when I fertilize my new plants and shrubs and use the myco-tone Starter Plus fertilizer. So I'll mix that in and it shows you exactly how much to use on the back of the bag here and also on Espoma's websites. Some of the goodies included in this, it has myco-tone, it has feather meal, earthworm castings, kelp. I'll put a full list of the ingredients up on the screen so you can see the full menu that is feeding our plants. But anyway, it's a long process. You know, if you guys follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you'll see that I have been trying to give a lot of updates along the way. I have some drip tubing in front of me right here. So I didn't want to hold off any longer and make you guys wait to see, because I have had a lot of you asking me what I'll be using. So I'm excited to share this with you. So another question I've been getting is, I love Espoma, but where can I get it? It's a good question. And my best recommendation is to go to Espoma's website. There is a search box where you'll put in your zip code and it'll offer you a bunch of retailers in your area that carry the line of Espoma products. So before you head over there, you want to give them a call and make sure that they have this or exactly what it is that you're looking for. And if they don't, request it and they will most certainly be able to get this product and other products in for you. In situations like we're dealing with now, I know there are many nurseries that carry the Espoma that are even doing curbside, no contact pickup right now. So that is certainly an option for you if this is something you wanted to use to get your vegetable gardens started right away and right now while we have the time to do that. Another option is to go on to truevalue.com and even amazon.com because they do carry certain Espoma products. It's my recommendation to start with your local nurseries and to support your local nurseries and ask them if they can get the products in for you. That's my preferred method. So I'm going to be planting all sorts of things this year. I did start some seeds inside. For the first time, I got a grow light system, so I have some of my sweet peas here. This is a whole mix, and I'm new to it. I did pinch these back. These are definitely ready to be planted. And I've got over here, I've got some nasturtiums, I've got some rhubarb and some other things going because I'm going to plant the nasturtiums and some plants in with my crops to kind of draw the pollinators in. And I also really like the way it looks too. I think it's really pretty when you have flowers mixed into your garden. It's very pretty. So I have a lot of work ahead of me. I have all these beds to fill, but I'll be planting a lot of these things. I have more flats in our basement right now under the grow lights. I have tomatoes and all sorts of things that I've started, some eggplant. I have some basil. And I'll also be using some starts that I pick up as well because, let's face it, this is a really big project and I'm getting started here with setting up the drip and doing all of these other things. And as the garden gets established, my ultimate goal will be to plant mostly everything that I can by seed. I'll be direct sowing as well. But I really just wanted to show you some of the happy things that are happening in the new vegetable garden and all the new things that I'll be able to show you going forward this season. It's really exciting to me having it all kind of unfold and be able to show you everything every step of the way. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I do always try and answer everybody and get back to you in a timely manner. And you can also contact me on Facebook or Instagram. I am on there. Kind of little frequent updates and photos and things like that of what's happening in the garden on a daily basis. But that's really it. I'm really excited. I'm super thankful to Espoma, and I'm really just excited to go on this garden journey with you guys. And if you'd like to see when I will be planting these up and what I'll be planting in them, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And until then, I have a lot of work to get to, so I'm going to get to running my drip and filling my beds and getting this area ready to plant all the things. Thank you guys so much for watching and for being here in my veggie garden with me today. Have a great day, guys.